Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com, and this is a tutorial on supporting multiple screen sizes in Android. And we've already covered this quite a lot, but I just wanted to gather together everything in one place. And also I have a little bit more to tell you about it. So I searched flickr.com using the option. There's an option on there that lets you search for pictures that have a commercial use license, and I found this picture by let's see, it's by a guy called I think it's a guy, no, it must be Mario Antonio Pena Zapateria, which I understand has a it has a GNU a Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 3.0 license, which I think means that I can use it as long as I tell people who made this picture. And what I did was, the original picture was very large, and I went to Google and searched for something like Android supporting multiple screen sizes, something like that. And you come up with this link here, supporting multiple screens in Android. And I used these resolutions down here as a guide to which sizes I should have my picture in for each kind of device. And then, for example, for the extra large one, 960 by 720, I scaled and resized the image in GIMP, the free image manipulation tool, to that size, and saved it in drawable XH DPI, extra high resolution. And I did that also for medium and low resolutions. Actually, I did it for extra high, high and medium, and then the low resolution one, I decided that I wouldn't support that. And so I'm just going to support images, I'm just going to support devices that have at least a medium resolution, which usually means a medium-sized screen. And I guess this isn't really an exact science, because you can have different amounts of pixels packed into different amounts of spaces. So the best you can do really is save kind of just a large, medium and small, or whatever different sizes of your image. And now I'm going to declare what screen resolutions my application supports in the manifest here. So I've got this Android manifest open from down here. And if you look at this manifest extras thing and you click add, you can select this node supports screens. So I'm going to click on that and then select it and click add. Oh no, actually I don't need to click add again. What I need to do is, let's just maximize this. And so I select the support screens node, and here we can select which screens my application or your application supports. So I'll say small screens false, I'm going to say normal screens true, and large screens true, and extra large screens true, and resizable, let's say true. And I'll just save that up here. And then if you look at the actual raw XML, that's going to add something to your XML here. So we've got the support screens tag with these various attributes set to true or false. And then when a person finds your application in the Play Store, the Google Play Store, they will be informed whether your application supports their device or not. So that's it for this tutorial basically. And of course, any images you have, ideally you want to save different sizes in these different folders for all the screen resolutions you support. But if you just save one in any folder, Android will pick the most appropriate image that it can and resize it if necessary. So it's not a question of whether your application will function or not, it's more a question of whether it will function efficiently and whether the image will look nice or not. So obviously if you scale up a very small image, it'll look terrible, and scaling down a very big image on the fly is maybe inefficient. So that's it for this tutorial, and until next time, happy coding.